Namkeen is a Hindi language film released in 1982, directed by Gulzar, with Sharmila Tagore as Nimki, Sanjeev Kumar as Gerulal, Shabana Azmi as Mittu, Kiran Vairale as Chinky, and Wahida Rahman as Jyoti Amma. It was yet another film by Gulzar made on some very sensitive and untouched aspects of Indian society, especially in rural areas. Pumpkin is not only about locations, it is the heart of a derelict family of women. It is also about the human condition, depicting the dilemma of lives that must seek out hope, warmth, and humor when none of these qualities are there for them to calm. Gulzar introduced this ladies-only household with minimum fanfare, as Gerulal is taken in as a tenant by Amma. The girls in their individual character spaces, from their body language and their minute facial gestures. And the Chinky is the naughty one, playful though not unheedful of the financial problems plaguing their family. In the film, the way Gerulal builds a different rapport with each of the women in the rundown home on the verge of collapse makes for a fascinating study of gender dynamics in a culture where women are constantly thrown new challenges in preserving their dignity. In the film, there is systematic development of characters, shifting into the dramatic exaggerations of theatre, yet never losing their aura of realism. In the film, there is systematic development of characters, shifting into the dramatic exaggerations of theatre, yet never losing their aura of realism. There is no gimmickry. The atmosphere established by gloomy darkness, authentic lantern light sequence, and with stark simplicity of both the locations and the filming style make it best. Gulzar laces this somber tale of heartbreak with humorous interludes, all of them woven around Gerulal's attempts to familiarize himself with the woman, all dissatisfied with life but unwilling to let their daily lives be sullied by despondency. If we try to explain the movie with any film theory, then we can relate with queer and structuralist theory. The bonding between the three sisters, their respect for their senior mother, and their warm acceptance of a complete stranger in their lives, all of this reflects the rootedness and simplicity of the people of our villages. On the other hand, Gerulal, the foul-mouthed, large-hearted truck driver, is equally respectful and warm towards his hosts, and he demonstrates this warmth through his genuine concern for the ladies and his efforts to elevate the challenges they face.